Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Photos to the MacBook. And let's get started by open the browser. And we have few options how to transfer these files. If you want to just save few photos, you can use Google Photos website. So Google Photos. Now you should sign in into your account, or if it already open Google Photos, check your account at the right top, click at the profile icon and make sure that you use your correct account. You can add your account, or if you use multiply account, right here under the manage your Google account, you can switch between them. And we have Google Photos, so right now just select photo what you wanna save, let's say these two photos, then click at the three dots at the right top and download. Now it's preparing to download two items. And right here we have zip file, open it and extract these photos to them. So let's select them and click at the share icon at the top and add two photos. And now we have it in the gallery. Right here we have these photos. But no, I mean that's it if you want to save a few photos. If you want to save all your photos or huge number of these photos, we can use Google Takeout service. So let me open it. Google Takeout. Open it. And firstly, again, you need to check is you use your correct account. And yes, this is the same account what I used before. Now, maybe let me change the brightness. Okay, firstly, click deselect all because we want to save photos only, files only from Google Photos, not from another Google services. So deselect. After that, scroll down. We need to find Google Photos. And right here we have it. Select it. And after that, right here we have all photos, albums included. Click on it. If you want to save all photos and videos from Google Photos, just click OK. You don't need to change nothing. But I'm going to deselect all and I want to save photos only from 2019. I don't want another photos. After that, click OK, and now OK, and now we need to scroll down. Next step. So I'm going to use the link, but you can also select something else, it's up to you. Export once, I don't want to export it every 2 months. Once is okay for me. File type zip, also it's okay for me, but you can change it, it's up to you. And file size. So if you have a lot of photos, I recommend it to increase this number. So it will send the link. And if you have, let's say, 100 gigabytes, it will send 50 links, 2 gigabytes each. So that's why I recommended to select hugest number. But 2 gigabytes is okay for me. I'm sure that I have less than 2 gigabytes, so I'm fine with it. Click Create Export, and now let's move to the Gmail, because it will send the link to the Gmail. Plus Gmail. Oh, actually, Actually, we can click at this icon and select Gmail here. And now we need to wait a bit. Maybe I will speed up it for you. Copy. So right here I have this email, open it, and click Manage Google Takeout Request. So right here I have the button Download. If you have more links, you will find them here, and you need to click on each to install it. So let's click Download. Next. Sometimes it asks you to write your password, sometimes it's not. Allow. And we have these folders here. So I don't think that... No, actually we have it. So let me save this photo to folders and also the second link, the second file, I mean. And right here we have two more for... Oh, I guess this one is previous. So in 2019 I have only one photo. If you have more, just select the first photo, then scroll down, click Shift and select the latest photo. And we just save it, so we will have it in the photos. Yes, I have only one photo. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.